This is a crane. This is a tower crane. What's the difference? A crane is mobile and can drive to different job sites. A tower crane is fixed in place and built tall for skyscraper construction. This is a wheel loader. This is a skid steer loader. What's the difference? A wheel loader is large with big front tires for heavy material handling. A skid steer loader is small and compact, built to turn in tight spaces. This is a compactor. This is a steamroller. What's the difference? A compactor uses vibration plates to pack soil and gravel. A steamroller uses its heavy weight and smooth drum to flatten roads. Don't forget to like and follow.